Hi, it's Gina from WTI. We have an indoor-outdoor cat, and so that's why it was so important to me to get a little dwelling that she could have for when she's outside. We live in a really rainy area of the Pacific Northwest, and I love that this is waterproof. It has done really well with even the driving rain that we get. This new age pet cat house is made from materials that are non-toxic, and I love that. So I know that when my cat goes inside, it's not going to be getting any respiratory issues from breathing in bad fumes. The materials are heavy duty, and I can tell that they're really going to withstand all the different types of weather that we get here. Whether that's rain, snow, or just blasting sun, it's really going to be able to hold up. I like that it's a couple inches off the ground because then I can put it out in an area that might get saturated with water, but it's not going to affect the inside of the house. So it'll still keep my cat dry. We opted to not have the plastic doors on when it's outside because it kind of deterred the cat from going in and out. It's lightweight and easy to move around, but still sturdy. It was simple to put together, and I love the fact that the parts were very clearly marked with numbers so that you knew exactly which parts to use for which step. If you're looking for a little house for your fur baby to be able to escape into that's going to last for a long time, I recommend this one, and that's my point of view.